Welcome to day 2 of the 5-minute, 5-day Gua Sha Sculpt Challenge. We're talking all about the eyes today. We're depuffing and brightening. Let's get started. Use this combed edge side. And we're going to start at the tail end of the eyebrow and we're going to sweep up. We're doing 1, 2, 3 passes. Use that pointed edge and we're going to come in on the eye area. So we're going to start out from that end of brow and we're going to come in, wiggle there at the end for that acupressure point, and we're going to do 3 passes. We're going to take and go all the way out to the hairline now, so we're going to bring it into the acupressure point inside the inner eye. We're going to wiggle and then we're going to take all the way underneath the eye, take it up to that hairline. And one more time. Perfect. Third eye, where those 11s sit, that eye area is all connected. All these muscles through here are connected. So we're taking it all the way up, sweeping 1, 2, and 3. Because it not only feels good, but it helps to open up the eye area as well. Use that same combed area. We're going to start on the inner brow and sweep up, middle brow, up, and outer brow. So we're going to do that again 2 more times. Inner, middle, and outer. Take that curved edge side and we're just going to release up and out right across that brow line. Up and out. We're doing this 3 times. And now we're going to take and do a mini hold. So we're going to take that combed side of the shorter edge here and we're going to take it to the end of the eyebrow right above and we're going to hold for 10 seconds. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a good way just to open up those eyes. It's not going to take care of that extra skin if you have extra skin on that eyelid, but it is going to help with hooded eyes and help open up that whole eye area. And it's going to help brighten underneath the eye area by helping increase that circulation. Switch over to the other side. So we're going to take and sweep up, use that combed side. We're going to sweep up, start at the end of the brow. 1, 2, 3. Sweep in underneath the eye with that pointed side. Give it a little wiggle there at the end where the acupressure point is 3 times. And then we're going to take and sweep out. So we're going to start there. Give it a wiggle. Take it all the way to that hairline. And that's 2 and 3. We're going to go back to that center forehead, third eye. Those 11s, we're going to sweep up. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to take it across the forehead. So you're going to go right underneath that brow and slide up 1, middle, 2, 3. And we're going to repeat 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. Last time. And these movements are nice and slow. We're going to take that curved edge and we're going to go across that brow all the way over to the hairline. So we're going to do that 3 times and you're going to lift up and out. So we're always lifting up and out when we're working with the Gua Sha tool on our face. We're going to do that 10-second hold, combed edge and lift for 10 seconds. And we're going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it for today. Focused on all about the eyes. You can add this into the Gua Sha routine we did yesterday and really focus on those eyes a little bit more if that's an area of concern to you. We're going to work it all in on Friday together so that you can have a full 5-minute Gua Sha routine that's fast and effective. So stay tuned tomorrow. We're working on forehead lines, that tightness, that tension, those 11s. You don't want to miss it.